As-salam. The Messenger ﷺ said, As-salam is one of the names of Allah Almighty, which Allah has placed in the earth. Therefore, give the greeting amongst yourselves. The name As-salam has a rich meaning. Among the meaning of As-salam is the one who is free from all imperfections and deficiencies. Another meaning is Allah is the bestower of peace. When the name As-salam is wrongly pronounced, it loses its meaning. In the right way of pronunciation, the sin has a shadda. In the wrong way of pronunciation, the shadda of the sin is replaced with the sukoon. And sometimes people omit the sound of the alif and pronounce the greeting by Assalamu alaikum. The right way is Assalamu alaikum. Wrong way, Assalamu alaikum or Assalamu alaikum. Again, the right way is Assalamu alaikum. Wrong way, Assalamu alaikum or Assalamu alaikum.